We run a program called Wavemakers for 16 to 25-year-olds, and it's all about accelerating ocean action through the lens of employability. 42% of the global population is under 25, so that makes them a really powerful demographic in the world. They are the kind of most impacted by the decisions today, but the least represented in decision-making spaces.
We're led to believe that that younger students in secondary school, primary school don't know enough about these issues, but actually they have all of the answers, I think, and it's very inspiring for the future. There are conflicts, there are disagreements, and all of these things are resolved by collaboration and discussion. That's the essence of the issue. It's a problem of relationships and how to rework these relationships. And so everything revolves around discussion and including people in conversation. So this is just one small discussion among many that's happening, but it's great that we're having it.
I'm quite passionate about the environment and everything that goes on in our world, because obviously it's important to us because I'm growing up. I think that's also why it's important to have things like this, because when you bring people together and you get their ideas, collect them all, then you always make positive change.
I realise that this is the future that I'm shaping. What I'm doing now is going to shape what my life is going to look like in 10, 20 years, and so I need to be doing all that I can to make the most sustainable planet for me to live in. And I think that's why everyone should care about it, even if you're not going to be around in 2050. You should still be caring about what your children, what your grandchildren's future is going to look like.
I really enjoyed the workshop. I really enjoyed learning about how we can look at our superpowers and look at how we can positively influence the environment. I think it was really important to just learn how, as a community, we can build up sustainability.
Eco-anxiety is a real big issue that is affecting young people, and having a values-based framework allows people to have more motivational careers and really bring things like sustainability into any career option. It's something that we really need to be able to move to a more positive and sustainable future, so it's essential to have that kind of skill.